Candle 1, candle 2. Yes. Merry Christmas, guys and gals! See that? I wish you all the best. Keep on going. I have your A. My ever-loving favorite, tuna pesto and medium rare honey-cured bacon cooked on its own oil, extracted. And I have here also a grilled chicken, and I'll be having a dessert little bit later. Toblerone, dark chocolate, and I have here a pineapple juice. Merry Christmas, guys and gals. Come over here. Join me for my noche.